key, that's out, that's still left, it's screwed in at the bottom there. This is all one piece, so get that out. If it'll come out without dropping to bits, that'd be even better. Needs to come out. I haven't put a proper pry bar in it, screwdriver I can do. But that appears to be lifting a whole lot. That's it. It's out. Yeah, that's out. Big long plank board which went along from here to there. The reason it needed to come out, apart from the fact it's rotten, we've got more of this here, so all that needs to be lifted and got rid of. But again, it looks worse than it is, but it's all dry, so yeah, that's good. Just random bits of wood everywhere. That'll be, I'm guessing that's the water pipe, maybe. It's a pipe of some description. try and get this bit out now. Short little snippet tonight, just come straight down after work. I've made me plates for the stern during the dinner time at work. They're going to need tweaking, but they're close enough for now. So I decided to come down. I've been having a look for flooring, for wood, so I need to get that gone. So I'm going to get that out of the way so I can get that bit of flooring out. I have a feeling that a bit under the clarifier is going to be no good as well, which could be a bigger issue. But I can sort that after, once I know the width and length and everything of the floor. I will be good to go. First things first though, clear all that lot off there. Okay, so cupboard is out. Relatively successfully. There was a couple of old wires down here and I caught one. Well, I caught two with the old multi-tool, and I tripped the switch there, and I popped a fuse for the smart gauge. So I haven't got any spare fuses here, I don't think. No. So what I'm going to have to do is get a fuse from work to replace it, which I've got loads of them in my toolbox at work. So let's have a look at this floor. I think I know what I'm expecting, so let's see. This was on top, apply. As you can see, all this is rotted. That's been wet at some point. Yeah, it's all turning out how I expected. More cleaning to be done. More rust treatment and cleaning. When you want something to just pull off, it won't, will it? There we go. Looks like I've got a load more wood to go to the tip. Steps. I'm hoping this will come out as well. Which it should do, I think. There again, looks like we're all under a bit of wood there. Okay, might be a multi-tool job to get that out. Out of the way. Yeah, I think. Yeah, we've got a join there by the looks of it. So hopefully this board here will come out relatively easy. Obviously this I've already pulled up, which is all crispy crusty underneath. It's the same as everything else, so it'll all scrape up. Looks horrendous, but it's actually not that bad. So I'll have a go at this bit of floor now and see what I can do. Well, that's another hour or so done. All that's dug up. I'll put a piece of wood there so I can put the steps up. That's all, as I thought, all flaky. So that all needs cleaning. That bit of wood under this cabinet is going, which means taking the calorifier out. So I need to look at that so I can replace that wood and do that whole section. Ideally I wanted to measure all this up and it goes up to just past the, well, it goes up to basically the living room, and measure it all up so I knew how much ply I needed to get to do the subfloor. But I think that might have to wait because I've got to get rid of this wood. Some of that's rubbish, some of that's all for cutting up and using on the log burner. I've got that lot which is rubbish I've got to get rid of. So I need to make some space before I can actually measure up. But it might look shit, but we're making progress. I'm actually really enjoying it. Never been one for DIY, but I'm actually enjoying this. Just got to keep the enthusiasm up. But yeah, it's going the right way. Backwards at the minute. But it'll go the right way eventually. We'll turn around soon and we'll start making some forward progress. So yeah, this wood out, figure out that bit of wood next, get the floors all scraped and cleaned, treated, painted, and then we can start putting the new wood down. So that's the plan. So we'll see. Hopefully, if I get time, by the weekend I'd like to have all the floor up and out, get rid of all the rubbish. That might, in fact, rubbish might all be a Saturday skip job. But get the floors done. I'd like to have the floors done, scraped, rust treated, and ideally painted for Sunday night. So we've got this weekend off. We'll see what happens away. Here we go again.